Hey everybody, welcome to my video about the changes in watchOS 4.3 in relation to listening to music with your AirPods or any Bluetooth headphones for that matter. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the great changes made in the Music app that will make listening to music a bit more convenient now, as well as a few noted changes in watchOS 4.3 in general. So stay tuned. As many of you may recall, prior to watchOS 4, you could use the Apple Watch Music app to explore the music on your iPhone and choose the playlist and or song you wanted to listen to on your AirPods or other wireless headphones. It was great. You could play and fully control the music stored locally on your iPhone from your Apple Watch. Then when watchOS 4 came out, that ability was removed without much explanation, leaving just the Now Playing app available for basic music controls when playing music from your iPhone. Then, in a later watchOS 4 iteration, they released Apple Music on the LTE Apple Watches, but still didn't give us back our iPhone music controls. Now, with watchOS 4.3, they've mostly given us back the iPhone music control. When I found this out, I was thrilled. Now in the Music app, you can explore the music stored on both your iPhone and Apple Watch again. When you choose to explore the music on your iPhone, you can see what's now playing, explore playlists, look by artist, album, or song, which is great to have back. But they still didn't bring back all of the functionality we had before. When you look through your playlists, you can see the playlist names, but when you choose one, it will start playing from the first song on the playlist. It won't let you explore the playlist or modify the shuffle or repeat settings. Also, it still won't display cover art unless you explore through the album option. I've noticed when you're on the Now Playing screen, there aren't any hard press options either. But the funny thing is it looks like the album cover art is in the background blurred behind the controls, but they don't have any options to actually see the cover art from this screen. They still have the button on the right that lets you delete, love, or dislike a track, and they've added the audio output source button on the left to help you easily manage where you get the music from, whether it be your AirPods or a Bluetooth speaker such as the Apple HomePod. Although I may be disappointed in what they've returned of the iPhone music controls to date, I'm very happy that they've at least returned what they have. But I hope they give us back the rest of the control we had before in future iterations, like the ability to scroll through the contents of a playlist and control the shuffle repeat options, for example. Other changes in watchOS 4.3 include the ability to use any orientation for Nightstand charging mode. Where previously you had to have your watch on its side, referred to as landscape mode, now Nightstand even works when in portrait mode, or right side up. This will probably come in handy when AirPower finally comes out. They've also made some subtle changes in system animations, like the animation you see when waiting for an app to load, and for those with the new HomePod, Apple has also added HomePod control for volume and playback to the Apple Watch. There are some other minor interface enhancements for the Siri watch face, and some security patches, but the biggest win with this update was finally the remote iPhone music controls being mostly restored. Did this update thrill you as much as it did me? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you don't miss out on more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.